How to make a public profile on Snapchat. First of all, head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner. Right here you will get to see the option of Create Public Profile. Click on it. Tap on Continue. And then tap on Get Started. Click on Create. Now tap on My Public Profile. There you go, your public profile has been created successfully. Right here, if you tap on this icon, you'll be able to set the cover photo for your public profile. And if you tap on this three dot, you will be able to see the different settings for your profile. You can adjust these settings as per your need. Tap on Edit. It will land you on this page where you'll get to modify the public profile of your Snapchat. So right here, you'll be able to add bio and the location. So you can modify your public profile as you want to, and you'll be good to go. Well, that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to create a public profile on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.